Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the features that let you shrink the usable view. Go to Settings, Accessibility, and turn on Reachability and Assistive Touch. Then add Reachability or Zoom to the accessibility shortcut so you can toggle quickly. Once done, practice the triple click or swipe gesture to confirm it responds. This prepares your device so you can create a half-size visual area without apps or jailbreaking. Make sure gestures work before moving to the adjustment step. You now form the half-size appearance by invoking reachability and, optionally, the zoom window. Trigger reachability to slide the top content into the lower half of the display. This effectively confines active controls to roughly 1/2. If you need more control, open Zoom's window mode and scale, or position the window so content fits half the screen. Once you've positioned it, lock orientation to prevent accidental shifts, and practice toggling back and forth to build muscle memory. Complete the process by locking orientation and using assistive touch to switch modes quickly. You want a reliable way to enter and exit the reduced view. If things go wrong, first toggle the accessibility options off and back on to reset gestures and shortcuts. If the screen still won't behave, restart your iPhone to clear transient glitches. Finally, consider updating iOS if problems persist, because software updates often fix accessibility and gesture bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.